What is the difference between a physical and chemical change?
Good question, Anthony. The difference between a physical and chemical change is that the physical property is still the same substance. A perfect example would be ice. Ice is still the same substance, which is water. Although the physical state has changed, it is still water. Rather than rust, which is an example of chemical change. What is the difference between intensive property and extensive property?
Good question, Vivian. To show you, first, intensive properties are independent and extensive properties are dependent. Alright? In an intensive property, they don't depend on the mass or sample. For example, the temperature or the color, which would be the liquid that I'm pouring right now, or the mass or the volume, which would be the glass itself. And yeah.
Good answer. Can you please identify alkali metals?
Yes. Alkali metals are shiny, soft, highly reactive to metals and at standard temperature and pressure. And these are the alkali metals.
Can you please explain to me alkaline earth metals?
Alkaline earth metals are shiny, silvery white, somewhat reactive to metals at standard temperature. And these are the alkaline metals.
That's great. Now please explain to me halogens.
The halogens are a group that contain elements in all three familiar states of matter at standard temperature and pressure. And these are the halogens.
Awesome. Okay, so what about noble gas?
The noble gas are a group of chemical elements with similar properties, colorless, monatomic gases with very low chemical activity. And these are the noble gases.
Can you please show me where the transition metals are?
Yes, these are the transition metals.
In periodic trends of atomic radii and electron negativity.
Okay. So the atomic radius increases as it goes down the periodic table. An example would be like this. The atomic radius also increases going from right to left, which would be like this. Anything going down up would be the ionization energy, which would be this right here. And from left to right would be an increasing ionic energy as well. What is the difference between a pure substance and a mixture?
A pure substance has one kind of atom or molecule, which could be water or sea salt, or whatever kind of salt you have. A mixture has a number of different pure substances mixed together, so since they're both a substance, pure substance, and you can put it here. This is now a mixture.